With the release of DeWalt's brand new 18-volt brushless drywall sander, I thought it'd be a great opportunity to look at both the extractor, the drywall drill, and the collated attachments to look how DeWalt has a complete cordless system for drywall application. But first, the new sander. Up the business end, it's got a 225mm pad with easy to attach mesh sheets. You can use paper on this sander, but you get much better extraction with the mesh sheets, and it comes with 3 150 grit mesh sheets to get you started. It's got variable speed control from 700 RPM up to 1200 RPM with a speed dial on the side with 7 stages, so you can tune it in to where you need it. In our application today, we were using the 150mm included mesh pad, and we didn't go past level 5 on the speed setting because it was just removing so much material. The head pivots on 3 axes, plenty of mobility and rotation, keeps itself nice and flat and flush on the surface for a nice flat finish. The handle is telescopic, it'll give you an extra 400mm of length, giving you a total of 1.6 meters for the entire tool at full extension, which is plenty enough for most ceilings. And with one 6 amp hour 18-volt battery, I got smack on 2 hours of continuous runtime at full speed. This sander removes material really quickly, which makes a lot of dust, and that dust contains silica, which is why an M-Class extractor is the minimum for using a sander like this one. And luckily, DeWalt has an M-Class extractor that's cordless, so it's really mobile. The DeWalt M-Class cordless extractor comes with a remote, which is super easy for turning it on and off, but it's even easier to sync it with tools that have Tool Connect, like the new Drywall Sander. To sync the Tool Connect, have a battery in both the tool and the extractor. Switch it to Tool Connect mode and then press and hold the Tool Connect button. And while you're holding it, pull the trigger on the tool you want to connect, and they're connected. The extractor is now going to power itself on and off in sync with your tool. And you can hear, being an M-Class extractor, that it will keep cleaning that filter automatically, so it continues to run at maximum suck. Another cool feature of this extractor is it has an alarm that you cannot miss. It'll sound whenever the bag is full, if you've got some sort of blockage, or if your battery is running low. It's all there just to keep you safe. And it'll also slot straight into your T-stack system as well, handy to get it on and off site and for storage. And I love that the DeWalt bags have sticky little tabs on them as well, so you can seal them shut when you're changing them, not let any dust out, and dispose of them safely. The drywall sander and the extractor are a great 1-2 combination, but if you work with drywall a lot, you might want to consider the screw gun as well, because they all work off that same battery. There are 2 collated attachments available from DeWalt that go on the drywall screw gun. Both are very similar, with a quick adjust on the screw size and easy to adjust finishing depth. The only major difference between them is the 6202 is a bit slimmer, as well as it feels a bit lighter. So take yourself from framing through to painting with minimal mess, all on the one battery platform. The new DeWalt Drywall Cordless Sander, the M-Class Extractor, and the rest are all available at your local Sydney Tools store or online at sydneytools.com.au. If you have any questions at all, hit me up in that comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.